Hey creators, I know you've all seen the panic around the YouTube's new monetization policy update. Some videos saying AI is banned, some saying you can't make faceless content anymore, but most still leaves beginners confused. So if you are new and you are wondering what all of this really means, or you've watched several videos and you are still confused, this video is for you. I will break down the new updates using simple words, real examples, and show you exactly what YouTube means. Firstly, let's clear the air. YouTube didn't just create a scary new rule. They just gave an old rule a new name. The old name was repetitious content. It's now called inauthentic content. They just changed the name and rewarded it to make it make more sense. But the rules themselves have been around for years. What this means is that if you've always been following the rules right from time, nothing has changed for you. Look at what YouTube says. It says, to be clear, we are not introducing a new YPP policy. This is a minor update to our long-standing repetitious content guidelines. You see, no new rules. So here is what YouTube now says is inauthentic or not okay. Number one, lazy re-uploads of other people's content. Number two, videos with no voiceover, no context, or no commentary, like slideshows, stock footages with robotic voice, or just AI that reads text. Also, misleading edits like cutting up interviews or news to create fake content. YouTube isn't saying you can't do faceless videos or use AI. What they are saying is that whatever you create, make sure you add your own original touch, either your style, your voice, or your story. Now let's talk about AI. You can still use AI in your content. You just have to do two things. First, give value. Don't just copy and paste whatever AI gives to you. Secondly, declare it during the upload process. YouTube now asks you when you are uploading your video if your content contains altered content or synthetic content. So you want to tick that box if you know that your video contains this. This does not mean demonetization or stopping you from entering into the YPP. It's only for transparency. Rene Ritchie, a YouTube creators insider, he explained it perfectly. I also dropped the link to the full video in the description below. Here are some examples of what YouTube like and what YouTube don't like. For like, a video using AI to generate a script, but you read it yourself and add your personal touch. Dislike, a video with AI just reading the quotes over stock videos with no personal voice or story. Secondly, for like, using clips to support your opinion while you narrate or analyze a story. Then for dislike, just editing public videos together without explaining anything. In short, if you are putting in some creative effort, you are not breaking any rules at all. So don't panic. YouTube just wants to reward creators who brings value, not those that are just copying and pasting content. So if you are new, you are just starting out, keep creating. Use AI, use stock footage, use whatever tool that will help you. Just make it your own. Add your original touch, add your voice, add your style to it. Okay, now if this video helped you to finally understand all the noise around the YouTube's new monetization policy, please hit that like button and share this video to other creators who might still be confused. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.